Oh, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. Today we are doing either part 2 or part 3, I don't remember.
It's 2.
Daddy thinks it's 2. We're gonna fix the sound on this guy now. Our speakers arrived a couple of days ago. It was yesterday. And we already got his movement working.
Yep. Just got solder and a new speaker.
It's been a while since we did the first one.
Yeah, it's been a little bit.
Since before Christmas, guys. Merry late Christmas, everybody. And an early New Year. Now the speaker to this poor guy was very busted. Like,
Yeah, he.
exploded.
I think he got dropped and it actually broke the plastic on the speaker. The outside rim of the speaker was all busted up.
I think the speaker blew up.
No, it didn't blow up. They do have an expression, blow your speakers, but that's not what they mean by it. It's going to fit in there. Yeah, it's going to fit right in there.
Perfect.
There's one wire, there's the other wire. Let's get one of these guys
And my
out
Aunt
here.
Sissy got me this guy from the Goodwill bins when she went.
Yeah,
Speaking of Aunt Sissy, we just finished watching her second live stream.
yeah. We did. And you got more stuff.
I got like a little angel music box and like a Captain America tie beanie baby. Actually, I have a tie Hulk beanie baby too. The Hulk and the Captain
Oh, yeah,
America.
you do.
Yeah, Santa gave me that one. The Hulk.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What
in
was
my
that?
stocking.
It wasn't this year, was it?
No, it wasn't this year.
Oh, okay, I went down this
I think it was the same year that he gave me my desk. So I was 4, I think.
Oh, yeah, that was a while ago.
It was a long time ago. It's almost New Year's. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
January 10th, 2024. I'm gonna be 10.
Mm-hmm.
How's the map balloon? My 10th birthday party we're gonna celebrate here.
Yeah. It'd be my 10th birthday party too, right? Or no?
It's not gonna be your 10th birthday party.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Why not? You saying we're not 10?
Huh?
I'm not 10 this year?
How old are you gonna turn this year?
You don't know? Old?
54?
55.
55.
I'm 54 today. Well, actually, I'm 55 right now. Because we just passed my birthday.
Yeah. The same day we got to go and see Jeff Dunham.
Yep. That was my birthday.
Huh?
That was my birthday.
Mm-hmm. You got that speaker soldered back on there?
Yeah,
Now
I
all you
did.
gotta do is turn them on and kind of tap that little,
Yeah, I want to get this part kind of in there. Make sure it's...
not touching anything.
Yeah, it's really tight.
We don't want him to be one of them that start smoking.
Yeah, we do not. Why is it so tight for that speaker to go in there? It's almost like it's It does go on that side, doesn't it? It has to. It wouldn't reach to the other side. See, it doesn't. It's like it doesn't fit.
I thought it went on this side.
Oh, does it? Maybe it does. That wire's gonna barely reach that far.
I'm pretty sure that's where it went though.
Oh, that would make sense. Yeah, that would make much more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the wires don't reach.
And turn them on. Get a good hold of them.
Yeah.
You don't have to put that back on right now.
But I just wanna, this will help me hang on to it
Well,
so it doesn't shake itself apart. But
Yeah, I'll
it can't be
put it-
like this because now there's wires in the way though. Yeah, there's a wire in the way. I'll pinch any wires.
I'll turn it on.
Okay, turn it on.
So it is supposed to be high.
It does go that fast, huh? Let's put screws back in.
Well, that was a pretty quick repair.
Well, we worked on them once before to get the movement working and to figure out that the speaker was, well, we kind of knew the speaker was bad pretty quick because it was
Busted.
all busted up.
And this guy is from Great American Fun Corp. I don't know what brand, don't know what year he is.
Oh, you know?
Mm-mm. But like most singing toys like this from Great American Fun Corp were like 1998 through 2000.
Oh.
And then all we'll have to do is just loop them back in there
Yeah,
with the speaker in the front.
speaker in the front, yeah. We'll glue them back in a little bit.
No, we don't have to glue it in.
He'll fall apart if we don't. He was glued in. Just a little bit. We won't glue them all the way around like they had them, but we'll put a couple specks of glue on him. Just so he doesn't fall off. Because if he falls out, he'll hit the ground and break all up again.
I'm not gonna do it later. He's quiet.
That's because he's got stuff in him.
It doesn't say jingle bells. It doesn't sing jingle bells. It sings jingle bells.
They sound like jingle bells.
Well, it sounds like he's saying jingle bells.
Ah,
Well, that's the repair. Finished already.
yeah, that's it for that one. You want me to put a couple specks of glue on there?
No, it's fine.
You sure? Okay.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.